Welcome guys. Now I will be showing you how to edit videos on the Photos app. Usually you go to the App Store, download another app and then edit your videos. But now I'll be showing you how to edit your videos on the Photos app. So now take the Photos app and now I've already selected a video. So now in the top right corner there's an option called edit. So now you have to click on it. And once you have clicked on it, you are taken to a screen which is like this, and now many options are shown on the screen. Below your video there is a long strip which shows the length of your video. So now left to that there's a pause button, and when you click on it the video starts playing. So now when you click on it again the video stops. So now to cut the beginning of your video, just drag on the arrow which is left of the strip. So now I will be dragging it till the intro finishes. So now when I start dragging, I stop when the intro finishes. So now when I play it, it starts from the beginning. Guys, now I'll be showing you how. Now the second option on the left shows some adjustments which you can make to the video. So now some of them won't make much of a difference because this is a video. So now when I use the saturation, nothing changes. So now to change, you have to drag the line which is right to it. But when I change some of the options, your video changes. For example, the highlights, when I change it, there are changes made on the video. And when you change the tint, the color of the video changes. And now the third option on the left, Apple gives me some filters. So now I can change those also. And when I click on the first option on the left side, it shows me the play button again. So now when I click on it, now I'll be showing you how to play songs. You can see that the filters have been applied to the whole video. Now the fourth option on the left side helps me to crop the image. So now I can drag and crop the blank spaces on the left and the right of the video. Now I can also cut the bottom part of the video by dragging the lines, and when I drag it the changes are made to the video. So now I can check if the changes which I have made are okay in all of the videos. So now I can drag this line which is on the video, which shows me the length of the video, and I can check and make changes. So on the top left corner there are two options to flip the video. So now the first one flips the video horizontally and the second one rotates the video. Now in the top right corner there's another option, and when you click on it, it gives a list of options below the video. So now when you click on this, it changes the shape, and you can also change the size of the video according to ratios. Now when you're all done editing, you can save the video. On the top right corner there's an option called done, and you can save the video in two options. Either you can save the changes or you can keep the original video and save it as a new clip. So I'll be saving it as a new clip.